HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the backbone of every web page you visit, providing the essential structure and layout. It is the language that forms the structure and content of web pages. Without HTML, the internet as we know it wouldn't exist. It organizes content, making it possible for browsers to display text, images, and other multimedia elements. When you see text, images, and videos on a website, it's HTML working behind the scenes. HTML tags are used to define elements such as headings, paragraphs, and links, which are then rendered by your web browser. Imagine HTML as the skeleton of a web page, providing the basic framework upon which everything else is built. Just like a skeleton supports the human body, HTML supports the content and layout of a web page. Learning HTML is the first step towards building your own websites. It's a fundamental skill for anyone interested in web development, and it opens the door to more advanced technologies like CSS and JavaScript. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. HTML is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, making it accessible even for beginners. With a little practice, you'll be able to create your own web pages in no time. In this essay, we'll guide you through the fundamentals of HTML structure and essential elements, giving you a solid foundation to start creating your web presence. We'll cover everything from basic tags to more complex elements, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding. By the end of this essay, you will be familiar with the basic building blocks of an HTML document. You'll learn how to structure your content using tags like and how to enhance your pages with elements like images and links. You'll be able to create a simple web page with headings, paragraphs, lists, links, and images. Let's dive right in. With these skills, you'll be well on your way to becoming a proficient web developer, capable of bringing your ideas to life on the internet. Every HTML document follows a specific structure. This structure is essential for the browser to correctly interpret and display the content of the web page. It all starts with the declaration, which tells the browser that it's dealing with an HTML5 document. This declaration is crucial because it ensures that the browser uses the correct rendering mode. Think of it as a friendly heads-up to the browser, letting it know what to expect. Following the declaration, we have the element, often referred to as the root element. It encloses the entire HTML document, acting as a container for all other elements. Within the element, we have two main sections, the and the. The element contains information about the HTML document, such as the title, character set, and links to external resources like style sheets and scripts. This information is not displayed on the web page itself, but is crucial for how the browser interprets and renders the page. For instance, the title element within the head section sets the title of the web page, which appears on the Browser tab. The element contains the actual content of the web page, including text, images, videos, and other elements visible to users. It's where the magic of web design comes to life. This section is what users interact with and see when they visit a web page. It includes everything from paragraphs and headings to multimedia elements like images and videos. Understanding the structure of an HTML document is fundamental for anyone looking to create or edit web pages. It provides a clear roadmap for organizing content and ensures that the web page functions correctly across different browsers and devices. In addition to the basic structure, there are many other elements and attributes that can be used to enhance the functionality and appearance of a web page. For example, meta tags within the head section can provide metadata about the HTML document, such as descriptions and keywords, which are important for search engine optimization. Similarly, within the body section, you can use various HTML tags to structure your content, such as divs for layout, forms for user input, and tables for displaying data. By mastering the skeleton of an HTML document, you lay the foundation for creating robust and visually appealing web pages. This knowledge is the first step in your journey to becoming a proficient web developer. The element plays a crucial role in setting up the web page's metadata and linking external resources. It's like the backstage area of a theatre where all the preparations happen before the show. One of the essential elements within is the tag. The tag defines the title of the HTML document, which is displayed in the browser's title bar or tab. It's also used by search engines to understand the content of your page. Another important component of is the tag. Meta tags provide additional information about the web page, such as character set, author, description, and keywords. The tag might seem like a small detail, but it plays a significant role in how your web page is perceived by both users and search engines. It's the first thing people see in search results and when they bookmark your page, so make it clear, concise, and relevant to the content. When choosing a title for your web page, consider using keywords that accurately describe the page's content. This helps search engines understand what your page is about and improves its visibility in search results. For instance, if you're creating a web page about dog grooming tips, a relevant title would be Dog Grooming Tips and Tricks for a Healthy Coat. Section 5. Meta tags, essential metadata for your web page. Meta tags are snippets of code that provide information about a web page to web browsers and search engines. These small pieces of code are crucial for the proper functioning and optimization of your website. They are placed within the section of an HTML document and are not visible to users on the web page itself. Despite being hidden from view, they carry significant weight in how your web page is processed and displayed by browsers. One important meta tag is the meta tag, which specifies the character encoding for the HTML document. This tag ensures that the text on your web page displays correctly, regardless of the language or special characters used. Without the proper character encoding, users might see garbled text or incorrect characters, which can lead to a poor user experience and misunderstandings. Another crucial meta tag is the meta tag. This tag is especially important in today's mobile-first world. With the increasing use of mobile devices, the meta tag tells the browser how to adjust the page's dimensions and scaling to fit different screen sizes. This ensures that your web page is responsive and provides a good user experience across all devices. While meta tags might seem like technical details, they play a vital role in how your web page is interpreted and displayed. They help search engines understand the content of your page, which can improve your site's visibility and ranking. For instance, meta tags can include descriptions and keywords that search engines use to index your site. A well-crafted meta description can entice users to click on your link in search results. Additionally, meta tags can specify author information, refresh rates, and even control the behavior of search engine crawlers. This level of control can be crucial for managing how your content is presented and accessed online. In summary, meta tags are an essential part of web development. They might be small and hidden, but their impact on your website's performance, accessibility, and search engine optimization is substantial. Make sure to include and properly configure meta tags in your HTML documents to ensure your web page is fully optimized and accessible to all users. Section 6. Linking style sheets and scripts. The section also allows you to link external style sheets and scripts to your HTML document. Style sheets control the visual presentation of your web page, while scripts add interactivity and dynamic behavior. To link an external style sheet, you use the tag within the section. The tag has attributes such as which specifies the relationship between the HTML document and the linked resource, and which specifies the URL of the style sheet. Similarly, to link an external script, you use the tag. The tag also has attributes like which specifies the URL of the script file. Scripts can be placed either in the or the section, depending on when you want the script to load and execute. Section 7. Diving into where content comes alive. The element is where the actual content of your web page resides. It's the stage where all the elements you want users to see and interact with are placed, from headings and paragraphs to images, videos, and interactive forms. The element encompasses all the visible components that make up a web page. Within the element, you'll use various HTML elements to structure and present your content in a meaningful and engaging way. Section 8. Essential HTML elements for beginners. Let's explore some fundamental HTML elements that every beginner should know. Headings. Two tags represent headings of different levels, with being the most important and being the least. Paragraphs. The tag defines a paragraph of text. Lists. Used for unordered lists, bullet points, and for ordered lists, numbered links. The tag creates a hyperlink, allowing users to navigate to other web pages or specific sections within the same page. Images. The tag embeds an image into the web page. These are just a few of the many HTML elements available. As you delve deeper into HTML, you'll discover more elements that allow you to create complex and interactive web pages. Section 9a. Simple HTML page example. HTML, doctype HTML, head, title, my first web page, title, head, body, H1, welcome to my website. H1P, this is a simple HTML page example. P, my favorite fruits, H2, YLLI, apple, lie, banana, li, orange, li, all body, HTML. This simple example demonstrates the basic structure of an HTML document and the use of some common elements. Section 10. Conclusion. Your journey into HTML begins. Congratulations, you've just taken your first steps into the world of HTML. You now have a basic understanding of HTML structure, essential elements, and how to create a simple web page. Remember that this is just the beginning. There's much more to explore in the world of web development. As you continue your journey, don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your HTML skills.